The federal budget deficit, which Republicans use to pretend to care about, is poised to get vastly larger if the GOP tax plan passes. There's reason to believe, however, that Republicans will renew their interest in balancing the budget, just as soon as they're done slashing tax rates on the wealthy and corporations. Gary Cohn, the director of the National Economic Council at Donald Trump's White House, hinted as much last week, as did House Speaker Paul Ryan, Republican Wisconsin, yesterday. The scope of this vision is pretty extraordinary. GOP officials have a vision of overhauling the federal tax code, redistributing wealth to the top, scrapping health care benefits for millions, and then targeting social insurance programs like Social Security and Medicare. And before you ask, didn't Donald Trump give his word to Americans that he wouldn't cut entitlements? It's important to remember the president's rhetoric has very little to do with his actions, and he's already endorsed some entitlement cuts, despite his commitments. But in practical terms, we don't really need to wait that long to see Republicans undermine popular social insurance programs. As the Wall Street Journal reported yesterday, the GOP tax plan may very well bring about some sharp cuts sooner rather than later. The Republican tax bill would force $25 billion in immediate cuts to Medicare, according to the Congressional Budget Office, a move that could be stopped only with a bipartisan vote.